Hello everyone, welcome back to Rathbone Manor, and today we're going to be taking a look at the rocket science behind the adjustable spanner. For years and decades and about 100 odd years now, they've been trying to manufacture a adjustable spanner that, it explains how to use it, because let's face it, how do you use these things? It doesn't exactly tell you, does it? None of these adjustable spanners actually tell you how they work. They've tried this style here, look. Still no idea of how to work it. King Dick here, Abingdon King Dick, still no idea how to use it. Going right back, still no idea how to use it. Anyway, I was at the car boot sale, was it earlier this year? And I found this little fellow right here. So what do we have here then? Well, yes, it's an adjustable spanner. Who's it made by? Diamond. The Diamond Calk Horseshoe Company, as you can see right there. But this one is different. This one actually tells you how to use it. So, if you're like me, slightly ignoramus, you'll be able to work out exactly how to use your adjustable spanner. I mean, who'd have thought, but look, we have little arrows here telling you that you can turn the little roller here, and guess what happens? Look, it opens up. Wow! And if we move to the other end of things, you've got a little arrow here as well, look. So it tells you can move the spanner this way to tighten things up, or you can move it, yes, there's another arrow, you can move it that way to loosen things off. Wow, who'd have thought? And not only that, no hammering, no extensions. Wow, so you can't put an extension bar on here either. The question is, has the previous owner been hammering this little fellow? Let's have a look. No, he hasn't, that I can see. Oh, blimey. So somebody's taking notice of the instructions on here then. Cool. Yep, and you're still not allowed to hammer or use extensions on it, even on the other side of things, look. I wonder how all this is. This is the only adjustable spanner that I own that actually tells you how to use it. Nice. Do you know what I'm going to do, guys? Now I've found out how to use one, I'm going to take this one down to the workshop and we're going to have a look to see if it actually works. Alrighty then, so here we are down in the workshop with the Diamond explained adjustable spanner. And guess what we have here? Nuts and bolts to go with it. So let's see if this does actually work like it says it does on the can. Okay, so here we have a nut and bolt in the vise, ready to go. Look at this, we can only do it up finger tight, not very tight at all. It'll come undone, no good at all to anybody. Right, what does it say here? Oh yes, we can move the roller, so we can, oh look, we can open it. What happens now? Well, we open it, it's too loose, so check the arrows. Yes, you can wind it both ways apparently. So what we do is we wind it the other way. Oh, look at that. It's a tight fit, guys. It actually fits. Look at that. So does that mean we can tighten this nut and bolt up so it won't come undone? Yes, it does. Wow. And it's not going to come undone either. Awesome. Oh, hang on a minute. So if we want to get it undone, wait a minute. What does the arrow say? Not that way. But it does say that way, look. Cool. So we put it back on again. If we can get it back on again. Does it want to go on again? Yes, it does. We do a little bit of adjustment using the little roller here as instructed, and there we go. Look at that. Awesome. You can actually tighten and loosen a nut and bolt with it. And it doesn't matter what size the nut or bolt is. Look at this. This is the one we were just using. Here is the Diamond adjustable spanner. Is it going to fit on? No, it's not. Take a look at the instructions again. Look. Oh, yes, look at that. Roll it this way and it gets bigger. Put it on there. Tighten him up. Using the... Don't forget the arrows on the handle here as well. Tighten it up. It's nice and tight now. Oh, it's so tight I can't get it off. Right, there we are. Look at that. Put it back on again. Oh, wait a minute. Get it the right way round, guys. And... there we go, we've loosened it off too. Nice. Well, this nut's a bit tight and I can't get it undone. It's not going to come undone, guys. How can we get around that then, do you suppose? But of course, we can use this hammer. So put it back on there again. Hang on a minute. What did it say here? No hammering. Okay, let's try something else then. Okay then, so I have this nice short extension going on here. Let's give that a go, shall we? Wait a minute, what did it say? No extensions either. Ugh. And so there we are, guys. It is easy to use an adjustable spanner. Let's get it back to the studio. Wow, awesome. So now, thanks to the Diamond Horseshoe Cork Company, you don't need to be Albert Einstein to use an adjustable spanner anymore. How good is that? So that's really helped me out. Thank you very much, Diamond. Really helped me out. I've never really known how to use an adjustable spanner. I mean, this one here, look at that. Yep, I can use that one now. This one here, this is quite old. Can I use that one? Just about. Yes, I can use that one now. That's excellent. What about this one here? Oh, this looks a bit difficult because it's a bit different, but it's still got a roller on it. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, nice. What about the old Abingdon King Dick here? Wait a minute, it's got a roller on it, so we should oh yes, there it goes. Look at that. Nice. Cool. Got that one working too. What about this Irimo though? Where's the roller on this one? Aha, it's at the bottom here. So, look at that. We can use this one too. Nice. Excellent. So, thanks a bunch to Diamond, the Diamond Horseshoe and Cork Company. We now know how to use an adjustable spanner. But I've had a look on Alloy Artifacts and I can't find one of these on there with the arrows and instructions telling you how to use it. So this must be quite a new one, I reckon. But isn't it good? Now we know how to use an adjustable spanner, guys. Wow, excellent. Well, I hope you found this video useful and you learned something today. I learned how to use an adjustable spanner for the first time in, what, 62 years. Awesome. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you'll pop back to Rathbone Manor in the very near future, because I shall be doing another tool review video at some point in the near future, and I'll hope you'll pop over and join me. So thanks for watching, everyone. Hello everyone, welcome back to Rathbone Manor. Today I thought I'd just take a Hello everyone, I just thought I'd take a look at that. Oh, bloody hell. And we can make it fit on the larger nut and bolt. Look at this, and we can tighten it up too. Wow, cool. And we follow. Don't.